Friday we were selling the pound, but what happened was initially had success after hitting a first target. What was the success? We had a move back up again and a move down again. Okay, guys, after hitting a target, the price broke the resistance area. After breaking the resistance, it turned it into support. After turning it into support, guys, it hit our base target for the day and came back down again. But guys, what happened on Monday was a bullish move up. So guys, right now, the clearly this resistance area has turned into support. So all I can do for now is, guys, go with that. If we break below only and only then, guys, can I start selling, and my target, guys, would be 1.34762. Okay, guys, and as long as, guys, we are above 1.35109, in my opinion, guys, we will be seeing 1.35525. We may also end up seeing 1.35804, but I wouldn't leave much on the table for that position. Okay, guys, I would focus on the first target, and if we do break below this, guys, we have a double top, and if we have a double top, guys, we will be seeing 1.34762. Anyways, guys, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.